Okay, we're going to be making a website with Google Sites. The first thing we have to know is how to get there. Well, we're in my Chrome browser in my test account, and I'm going to show you how to get there. All right, so the first thing you can do is you can just type in sites.google.com and you will get to Google Sites. That's where you want to go. But if you're in your Chrome browser now, let's come up to this little 9-dot menu here. We're going to click this and we're going to look for Google Sites. And we're going to come along here and we're going to look and look and look. And we're going to come all the way down here. And we're going to look at all these little icons here, right? Come all the way down and you don't find Google Sites. And why is that? Well, because it's in Google Drive. So let's go over to Google Drive. Everybody that has a Google account will have this. So it's free. You'll be able to make the site in under 3 minutes. I'm going to show you how to do that. And let's find Google Sites. We're going to come to Google Drive. Click Google Drive. And this brings up our menu here. And we're going to come over to the left side. And we're going to come up here to New. And let's click on New. And here we are. And we're going to come down. We're going to see all the software that you have in Google Drive. And we're going to click the little more here. And here is Google Sites. There we go. Let's click it and see what happens. We're going to start our web page, but I'm not going to click the start button yet. So have you ever thought about creating your own website, but immediately felt overwhelmed? Maybe you thought you needed coding skills or expensive hosting or complicated software. Well, today I'm going to show you how to create a website in under 3 minutes using Google Sites. Now, you need no coding experience, you need no hosting fees, you need no technical headaches. If you use Gmail, you can build a website. So let me show you how it's done. But before we get started, I want to answer some common questions I often get asked. And is it free? Yes, it's totally free. There is no cost. Do I need hosting? No, you don't need to have your a domain name. It's completely hosted by Google. Can I use my own domain if I do have it? And yes, you can do that. And does it work on phones? Yes, automatically it's adapted, and one piece of software works for all different devices, including phones. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Our 3-minute page has started. So we're going to come up here and we're going to enter. First of all, we want to identify this file. I'm going to call this the 3-minute web page. Now you'll see here we can of course change the size of this, and we can change the fonts. It's pretty standard right here. Okay, so that's the first part of our page here. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take over the right, we're going to take a context box, drop it down here, and we're going to add an image, which I'm going to upload here. We take this image, and then we're going to add some text. Now I'll have some text here, and I think we're going to add this text. And so now we have an image, and we have go to Google Sites, create a blank template, start your title. So we've given the instruction on how to initially get started with a 3-minute website. So the next thing we want to do is to add an image and publish. So let's have 2 more instructions here we're going to add. So we're going to take the context block with 2, and we're going to drag it over here and add this. And here we are, we've added it now. So let's click the first image on how to add a text. I'm going to click here. We're going to upload another image that I have, and we're going to this, and this is how we add text and images. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to click to add text, and we're going to, and here we have adding images. And then let's add a text to publish. So we're going to add an image again. We'll add this image here. And here we have opened how to publish your website. Okay, so now we're going to add some text in here, and let's add our text. And we're going to add that. There we go. So now we have, as we're building our website, we have the 3-minute website. We've got how to start out. We've got how to add text images, how to publish to your site. And we've got one more thing before we publish. So I want to add at the bottom here, I want to add a YouTube video. This is a video I made about Tech for Seniors website. I built Tech for Seniors website using Google Sites. I want to add this as an example. So we're going to click the button here called YouTube. Now, normally I'm on my test site, so it doesn't have the YouTube video. Normally all your YouTube videos would be here to bring up, but we're going to just put a little paste here. This should bring the video up, and here's the video. We're going to add this and we're going to insert it. And here we are. We're going to add this to a site, add this, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a text box to this. And we're going to type, and that should be it. So let's now here's how fast it goes. We're going to just come up, and you see the little button here to the right. We're going to hit publish, and it's going to cover, and this is going to be the name of your website here, and we're just going to hit the publish button, and the website is now published. Now, if we come up here, this is the publish link. So this is what the link is going to say. So we're going to copy link. Now I'm going to open up a new tab. We're going to paste that link in the tab, and let's just have a look and see if what I said is true. And here is our 3-minute website. You'll see all our information, and this is you can see it now yourself. This is the URL for our website. So that's how simple it is, and we did it under 3 minutes. So it's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior, where we help seniors understand technology and also help them design websites. So today I wanted to show you how to use Google Sites, but most important, I wanted to explain why I chose Google Sites for our Tech for Senior website. And I'll put the link below in a video I did explaining how I did it. Before we start, this is not a video about how to create a Google site. I wanted to show you simply how fast it is and how easy it is to do. I chose Google Sites for 3 reasons. Number one, I didn't know a lot about building websites, so I wanted it to be simple. Simplicity was very important. The second thing is I chose it because of security. It is HTTPS by default, and that means it is a secure site. This is so important because if you're looking around and you want to build a site and you're looking at different companies, oftentimes free isn't really free because after you get your site all completed, you find out it's not secure. And that's the $60 a month they get you for. And of course, saving, there is no cost. So we have simplicity, security, and savings. Those are the 3 S's. Now, I wanted to just take a minute to discuss why you might want a website. Clearly, if you are retired, you're not in a club or you're not doing anything, why would you really want to build a website? Have you ever sent out a Christmas letter in Gmail? Now, that's a big chore. If you try to add a lot of pictures or images in there, you'll hit the send button and find out that you're over your limit and the file is too big. Or when you send it out, the receiving person can't get it because they don't accept attachments or big files. So that is a big problem. And a website can simply be a way of sending out a Christmas card. You can create a Christmas card easily on a website and then just send the link out, and it goes out as a link, and it's really easy to do. How many of you are in golf clubs? Maybe you're involved in a arranging golf scores, or maybe you've got a spreadsheet, or you're doing something there, and you're sending that out by email to all your members. Well, it'd be so easier just to pop a website up and just do it and change it on the website and just send the link. And the link never changes, so people just can go back and see the updated information. It's much easier than sending repeated emails out. But I want to show you something more about this, because it even gets better. And you saw how easy it was to publish. Well, let me show you something. Okay, let me show you something really interesting. This is available on any of the Google products, such as Google Sites, Google Sheets, or Google Documents. So if you're on Google Drive and you're using any of these products, you're able to publish that document as a website. Pretty cool. Let me show you how easy this is. Now, if you talk to teachers, they do this all the time, whether it's homework assignments, whether it's exams. They can easily create this by using this technique. So watch how easy it is. So what I've done here is I've taken just some stuff that I made as a document. You'll see it's a document here, and we've called it, let's call it, we'll come up here and we're going to title it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to publish this so that other people can see this document. So there used to be a publish button on the top here on the ribbon, but that's changed with the newer versions of Docs. So we're going to come over and we're going to hit File, and we're going to come down now to Share. You see this Share button here? And you see where it says Publish to Web. Now let's see what we're going to do. And now we're going to publish this. Now we can either publish it as a link, which we're going to do, or you can embed it in an existing site. But we're going to publish this as just a link, so I can send this out to my friends and they can all look at it. Hit Publish. We're going to say OK, and it's published. Now, if we take this and we just copy this over, and we're going to paste this back into the, you'll see here's our documents. And this is the URL at the top here of the web page. So we just took that document, and with one click, we made a web page for that document. And that's really if you think about it, that is something really useful. And as I said, you would just ask any of the teachers. They use this feature all the time when sending information out to their students. So think about it, because it will work with Google Sheets, it works with Google Docs, it works with, of course, Google Sites. It's really an interesting tool, and it's so easy to publish something, and then you can just send that link, and it goes to whoever you want. So let me show you a few more powerful things. Under Insert, you can embed YouTube videos, as we discussed. We can insert Google Docs, so if you have a document already made, we can add Google Slides, or we can add Google Forms, or we even can insert a Google Map. This makes Google Sites perfect for clubs, community groups, genealogy societies, family reunions, or small organizations. It works beautifully on phones automatically, and no extra setup is required. Now, who is Google Sites for? Well, it's perfect for beginners, it's perfect for seniors, clubs, teachers, and families. But it's not meant to be really an e-commerce store, but it does meet most everyday needs. It's fantastic, it's free, and it's secure. So there you have it. In just a few minutes, we created a website. No coding, no hosting, and no stress. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech for Senior. And if you build a site, leave a comment with your link. I'd love to see it. And remember, technology is really simple. Until next time, Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. Bye now.